Hey guys, welcome back to Carvlog India. I'm your host Yatharth and today I'm with the latest edition of Hero Achiever. In this quick video, I'll take you through this bike's design, ride and handling, engine performance, fuel mileage and all such details. Please keep watching. So if we talk about the features of the new Achiever, it's a fairly loaded model. It comes with features like the clear lens headlamp, clear lens tail lamp, stylish graphics, maintenance-free battery, alloy wheels and tubeless tires. However, the highlight has to be the i3S engine start-stop system, which helps a lot in conserving fuel. One thing that we are not really happy about is the all-analog speedo console, which looks fairly dated in this day and age. The 2016 Achiever is targeted at the premium executive segment. Hence, it doesn't come across as a surprise that the new Achiever, much like the earlier version, lacks flamboyance. However, what you do get are some inoffensive and clean lines that should appeal to the masses. The highlights of this bike's design include a bikini fairing that features a translucent visor, a neatly sculpted fuel tank, and some trendy graphics. Powering the new Achiever is a BS4 compliant single-cylinder 150cc engine that outputs a maximum power of 13.6 PS and a peak torque of 12.8 Nm. This engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The short gearing of this bike, along with decent torque on offer, should help you easily trot along at city speeds. The new Achiever can easily do speeds as low as 40 km per hour in 5th gear. Also, there is sufficient power to quickly propel this bike to speeds of up to 80 km per hour. The high-end power delivery, however, is pretty dull. But then again, we never expected a Yamaha R15-like performance from this bike. The new Achiever gets conventional telescopic forks up front and adjustable shock absorbers at the rear. Ride is pretty comfortable over speed humps and other such irregularities. The top model of the new Achiever is available with a disc brake at the front. This bike can be hauled down from high speeds pretty easily. We braked really hard on many occasions. In a country where fuel economy is the major deciding factor for most prospective bike buyers, the new Achiever comes across as a really honest attempt to bridge two different segments of our bike market. While it is almost as fuel efficient as a 125cc bike, it also attempts to provide the grunt and premiumness associated with a 150cc offering. The new Hero Achiever 2016 model is really frugal, looks good, has enough features, and offers the almost unparalleled reassurance of Hero's wide service network. On sale at a starting price of Rs 61,800, the new model of the Achiever comes across as a great value for money. So with this, I come to the end of our video review. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more such videos and don't forget to hit the like button. I'm your host Yatharth signing off. Thanks for watching.